Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Earners. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 ways that you can take action to cut your income tax this year. I know that there are more than 10 different types of relief that one can claim for, but I'll be focusing on the relief that majority can claim for. So if you look at this picture, you can see that this is the current tax rate table that shows you how much you are being charged or you have to pay for the income tax based on the amount of chargeable income that you have. So as the chargeable income that you have gets higher and higher, then the amount of gross tax payable that you have to pay also increases as well. So this is in a way you can call it like progressive. So let's say if you earn $1 million, then the amount of tax that you have to pay is 199,000 and $150. So obviously, I mean, if you're earning that much, then I don't think the tax will be of a concern to you. But even if someone who is that rich, they will also probably want to look at ways to reduce their chargeable income as well. So the reason why people will want to be reducing their taxable income, obviously, is to save money on the income tax so that you can pay less income tax, and then you have more money for yourself. And with this increase in your disposable income, then you can use the money either for keeping it for a rainy day, using it for holiday or for other expenses. Then obviously, with this extra money that you have due to being able to pay lesser tax legally, then you can use it to invest in the future by investing in the stock markets or in other form of assets that is able to have a higher capital value in the future. So here you can see that these are the various types of relief that one can get. So obviously not all are applicable to everyone because it's dependent on whether you qualify for it. So for example, if you are NS man, then you get to enjoy the NS man relief. Then the other one is, let's say if you are taking care of your grandparents, then you also get to enjoy this grandparent caregiver relief. And then if let's say if you are a working mom, then you get to enjoy this working mother child relief. So we'll only be focusing on three, and the three are the CPF cash top-up relief, the CPF relief for voluntary Medisave contributions, and then the last one will be the SRS relief. So for the SRS relief, so this illustration actually shows you that if let's say if you're a Singaporean in Singapore, and then you contribute $12,000 to your SRS account, then this information itself will be provided to IRAS, and then they will obviously be taking this amount and then reducing the amount of chargeable income that you have. So let's say he contributes $12,000, then there will be a tax relief of $12,000 that will be included in the following year assessment of his income tax bill. So this means that he gets to have his chargeable income reduced by $12,000 because he has put in $12,000 into his SRS account. So do note that the yearly maximum SRS contribution is $15,300 a year. So anything more than that will not be eligible for tax relief. Next is CPF cash top-up relief. So for this CPF cash top-up relief, the maximum amount that you can get the relief from this is $16,000. And how you go about doing it is that you can either do a cash top-up to your own account or a cash top-up to your family's CPF account. So if you are putting below $8,000 into your own CPF account, then the amount of tax relief is based on the exact amount that you put in. If you put in more than $8,000 into your CPF account, then the maximum relief that you'll be getting is only $8,000. So overall, when you do a contribution to yourself and also to your family members, the maximum relief that you can get is $16,000. And then we have the voluntary Medisave contributions. So this is where you will be contributing into your Medisave account. So how it works here is that you have this table itself that shows that let's say someone earns $80,000 in the year, then because of the contribution from his employer and also from himself, so that will lead to the total contribution to his CPF of $29,600. And then the annual CPF contribution cap is at $37,740. So if you take $37,740 minus 29,600, the difference itself will be 8,140, and then this is the amount that he can actually contribute to his MediSave account to enjoy tax relief. So you can see at the last second box, it states that the maximum tax relief that can be allowed on his voluntary cash contribution made to his MediSave account is $8,140. So even though he may put in $9,000, the maximum relief that he can only get is only 8,140. So that's how this MediSave contribution can aid to your tax relief. So these are the three things that will allow you to enjoy your a lower tax bill. So obviously, this is applicable to almost everyone, individuals, which you can enjoy this tax relief, which are the CPF cash top-up relief, the voluntary MediSave contributions, and the SRS relief. So hopefully through this video, you will probably take action before the end of this year to enjoy the tax relief that you can get. And then that's all for today's video. So hope you learned something new, and as always, do learn to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a great day ahead, and bye bye.